TikTok is a Chinese video-sharing social networking service owned by ByteDance, a Beijing-based company founded in 2012 by Zhang Yiming. It is used to create short dance, lip-sync, comedy, and talent videos. TikTok has announced a series of relief funds and initiatives to support those fighting the COVID-19 pandemic and to help other individuals and organizations struggling with its impact. TikTok, the social video company owned by Chinese internet giant ByteDance, pledged to donate $250 million in funds to support COVID-19 relief efforts as well as $125 million worth of advertising credits on the platform. "We are committed to playing our part in that global outpouring of mutual support and giving," TikTok president Alex Zhu wrote in a blog post. "We want to magnify all we are seeing across our community and translate it into concrete relief for those most affected by this crisis," he added. Specifically, TikTok said it is provisioning $150 million in cash to go toward medical staffing, supplies and hardship relief for healthcare workers on local levels. For example, the company is working the CDC Foundation to donate $15 million towards supporting surge staffing for local response efforts through U.S. state and local health departments. Zhu said TikTok is working to distribute masks and other personal protective equipment to hospitals in countries including India, Indonesia, Italy, South Korea, and the U.S. In addition, the company is establishing the TikTok Community Relief Fund, which will grant $40 million in cash to local organizations including musicians, artists, nurses, educators, and families that have come together on our platform, according to Zhu. The company is providing an additional $10 million matching in donations from TikTok users. To date, the company has donated $2 million to Music Cares. Meanwhile, the TikTok Creative Learning Fund earmarks $50 million in cash grants to educators, professional experts, and nonprofits dedicated to distance learning initiatives. On the ad front, TikTok will provide $100 million in advertising credits over the next few months to small and mid-size businesses. That's to help companies get back on their feet once economies are able to restart normal activity, according to Zhu. The company also is giving $25 million worth of prominent in-feed ad space to non-governmental organizations, trusted health sources, and local authorities to share important messages with millions of people and meaningfully engage the TikTok community, Zhu wrote. Following on from its recently announced partnership with the World Health Organization, WHO, on a new COVID-19 information resource on its platform, TikTok has now pledged to donate $10 million to the WHO to assist with its coronavirus response efforts. Chinese short-form video creation app TikTok has said that it is working with the Indian government to donate medical equipment worth 100 crore rupees. According to a community post on its website, the company will donate 4 lakh hazmat medical protective suits and masks to protect doctors and frontline medical workers in India. Apart from this, TikTok has also donated 2 lakh masks to the state governments of Delhi and Maharashtra for local and state-level medical workers. Chinese video sharing application TikTok has also donated Rp 100 billion to the Indonesian COVID-19 task force. TikTok donated Rp 100 billion as humanitarian assistance to fund operations to overcome COVID-19, said Task Force Chief Donnie Minardo. The donation, Donnie continued, will be prioritized for medical personnel, such as doctors, nurses, hospital employees, hearse and ambulance drivers, and other employees who work to handle the coronavirus outbreak. "We send our gratitude to TikTok who has donated a great amount," he added. Video sharing app TikTok is helping the Philippines in its fight against COVID-19 as it pledged to donate $1 million to Philippine General Hospital Medical Foundation Inc. PGHMFI. PGHMFI is a nonprofit organization that is a major partner of the Philippine General Hospital (PGH). The fund will help provide protective gear and equipment as well as relief for healthcare workers, according to a statement released by TikTok. "Nothing's as priceless as a community that comes together in times of crisis and does their part to battle against it," PGHMFI greatly appreciates the enormous support from TikTok, which will help us secure PPEs and essential supplies to the front-line healthcare professionals of PGHMFI President Dr. Telesforo Gana said. TikTok Indonesia, Malaysia and the Philippines head of public policy, Donny Ariastha has also expressed his gratitude for playing a role in handling the pandemic. Aside from these prevention-oriented notices from trusted organizations and health authorities, the ads policy of TikTok does not allow ads that reference coronavirus, including when promoting products or services, to create a sense of fear or to cause widespread offense. TikTok is also joining other technology companies, including Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, in the COVID-19 Global Hackathon, a united industry effort that invites developers to build technological innovations that are timely, helpful, and relevant to the key needs identified by the WHO in their efforts to address the virus.